Hi friends, welcome to the Tech Blog Live YouTube channel. If you are planning to buy a laptop for animation with outstanding performance, color accuracy and excellent build quality, then this video is just for you. Today we'll take a look at the best laptop for animation in the market right now. But purchasing such devices for your needs will prove to be no less than a challenging task. When it comes to buying the right product, then there's a lot to look out for. That's why today, we've picked and reviewed the 3 best models for you. These devices are well suited for different levels of animation. We've spent many hours researching these products. We've ranked them based on their price, quality, durability, and performance. To make it easier, we will include timestamps in the description down below. You can also see the prices and other information about laptops by using the links in the description. Get more detailed analysis on our website, bestinlinealaptops.com. Let's get started. (3) Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch. It is designed with a unique Mac operating system that is seamlessly fast and super responsive. Design. The Apple MacBook Pro is another excellent laptop for graphics and animations that comes with a sleek design and streamlined performance for any professional designer or animator. Display. It has excellent resolution, offering the brightest display and clarity that features LED backlighting, a high-end contrast ratio, and comprehensive color grading. Performance. Apple MacBook Pro delivers impressive performance for all your processes, such as video encoding and rendering 3D models and substantial file transfers. Due to the latest generation i7 processors and the super-fast graphics, the Apple MacBook shoots quality for designers and animation experts out there. This laptop is the best for animators who have loads of work to manage and heavy software installed into the system. This best laptop for animators comes up with 16GB RAM and 512GB storage that is pretty enough to store many files on the machine. Battery. With an average battery life of 10 hours, it allows you to keep designing, editing, and coding, watching, and gaming for as long as you need from anywhere you want. Conclusion. If you are searching for the highest quality animation and graphics laptop performance, the Apple MacBook is one of those that you would want to pick. Its power, long-hour battery life, and blazing speed are all rock solid. 2. Asus Rog Zephyrus S. Rog Zephyrus S is a fantastic choice if you're looking for a thin machine suited for animators without compromising the performance aspect. Display. It comes with a 15.6-inch Full HD display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080p. What matters more here is the 144Hz refresh rate, which means you can make those quick changes. Performance. The device is powered using an Intel Core i7 processor with a turbo boost speed of up to 3.9 GHz. It means a smoother animation process even if using some of the most challenging software out there. On the dedicated graphics side, the 8GB NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1070 is more than capable of doing a fantastic job. Conclusion. The combination of RAM and storage would be enough to keep your animation project afresh. 1. Acer Predator Helios 300. Acer Predator Helios 300 is considered and advertised as a gaming laptop. Despite that, this laptop offers some of the most impressive specifications an animator can expect for a low budget. Display. Coming to the visual real estate, the Acer Predator Helios 300 comes with a 15.6-inch Full HD display with a resolution of 1920 x 1080p. Performance. The device's high performance is an Intel Core i7 processor with a base clock of 2.8 GHz. Turbo Boost can take the clock speed up to 3.8 GHz, which is excellent while rendering. Going further, you would spot the 32 GB of DDR4 RAM in the Predator Helios 300. When combined with 256 GB of SSD storage, you are sure of the best booting speeds and multi-layer editing. As far as dedicated graphics are concerned, a heavy performance 6GB NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060 is also included, and this is an excellent choice for content creators in general. Connectivity. Acer has included one USB 3.1 Type-C port, one USB 3.0 port, and two USB 2.0 ports. You also get a full HDMI port and RGB backlit keyboard with good customization options. Conclusion. It is the best laptop for animation as it has great specification within budget. Final verdict. Recommended best laptop for animation is Acer Predator Helios 300. Other laptops on this list are also great. You can select and buy one from the Amazon link given in the description. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I hope you have an awesome day. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to get the latest update from our channel. Because in this channel you get helpful laptop reviews, plus, the things to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Get more detailed analysis on our website, bestinlinealaptops.com. Which is your top pick from today's video, Asus Rog Zephyrus S or Acer Helios Predator 300? Have a great one and I will see you next time.